Take a ride in the 2016 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, privacy glass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.